Hi and welcome. I am here today with HOMTOM S9 Plus, and I'll be showing you how to get an iPhone volume panel on this phone. So first we have to go to the Google Play Store, and from there we have to look for an application called Volume Styles. Install the first application that pops up. Wait for a while and then open. Now all you have to do is to tap on the Start button in the top right corner and then give accessibility service permissions. Volume styles on. Okay. Great. Now we should be good to go. Simply tap on Yes, I agree on this pop-up we've got a second ago. Now let's go here. As you can see, there are different themes, and here's iOS. Tap on it. Now let's try changing the volume levels, and as you can see, we get this iPhone styled volume panel on HOMTOM. There are many different other themes. For example, we've got Wave, which has a little animation. I didn't mean to leave the application. We also have, come on, it's a bit laggy. We have got MIUI, which is known from Xiaomi phones. Okay, again, I've left the app. And for example, we even have, if I remember correctly, Windows 10 volume panel. So there are many other different themes, and I highly recommend you to check all of them. But that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.